Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add Polkadot Network to Metamask. For that, first of all, let's launch our Metamask mobile application and try to find Polkadot in Metamask. So you need to tap on the drop arrow button in the top, then select Add Network. Now here in the Add Network, you won't be able to see Polkadot by default, but if you want to add the network, then you can tap on the custom networks and provide all of these details. You will find these details from the internet, so you can go ahead and find these details and fill out this form and press add. Now for any reason, if you are not able to add Polkadot network into your Metamask and if it doesn't work, then what you need to do is you need to simply open your web browser, and here in the search bar you need to search for Polkadot. Now after searching for it, you just have to simply tap on it so that you could see its chart. Now here you need to scroll down a bit and try to find its contract address, which will be on BEP20 by default. So you need to copy this address from here, and then you just have to go to your Metamask account. After that, you need to tap on the network tab and select the BNB network. Once this tap is done, you just have to tap on the import tokens option that would be in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now after tapping on it, you just have to select the custom tokens option, and here you need to paste the address that we have just copied, and now you need to tap on next. Now it will automatically take the Polkadot symbol as well as the decimal, so you just have to press next, then tap on import. After waiting for some time, Polkadot as a token will be imported on BNB Smart Chain, and now you can use BNB Smart Chain to send and receive Polkadot. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.